I just realized that I pulled out a bunch of meat and I started defrosting it last night and I completely forgot about it. And it is now like 7:20 and I remembered that I have a bunch of meat sitting in my sink that needs to be used. So I'm gonna make a pork stew like 3-bean, possibly soup like, possibly stew like. We're gonna see how it comes out in the end. But I'm gonna use, these are dried, so I'm gonna use kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans. I might throw in some carrots. I have celery, I have bell peppers, I have cabbage. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna use yet, but I have this giant thing of pork and it needs to be used today. So, I'm gonna start doing that. Red beans. That much. Pinto beans. That much. Black beans. That much. Kidney beans. Oop, these are bigger. That much. It's a good amount of beans in there. So I'm gonna throw a lot of water in here and then we're gonna pressure cook it. Beans into a pressure cooker. 45 minutes. I almost forgot. Add salt in your beans now. Red, orange, green, bell peppers, jalapeños, celery, and there's carrots in here somewhere as well. Those are all prepped and ready to go. I am going to coat this pork in cumin, paprika, and some chili powder just to get a nice flavor going. This is the paprika, cumin, ooh, that was a lot. Chili powder, it'll spread out. And we're just gonna rub that in. And do the same on the other side. Cumin, paprika, chili powder, sear your meat. And I've got the meat all cut up and ready to go in the stew as soon as it's ready. Add in a full can of tomato paste. All of our meat. Our veggies. Some fresh water. Adding in cumin. Chicken bouillon. Some more chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and 2 pieces of bay leaf. Slow cook, 2 hours. Think it's time for a taste test. It has been 2 hours that this stew has been doing its thing. It was very hot. It was very bean forward, which understandable because I put a bunch of beans in here. Let's see how the meat tastes. Oh, it doesn't want to cut, so. The whole thing needs more flavor. I mean, it's got good flavor, but it needs more. It's just still very, very bean forward, so I'm gonna try to get some of the other flavors to come out. Adding salt first, because that definitely always helps bring out the other flavors. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the chicken bouillon. Some more cumin. And I'm gonna add paprika into this one now. I don't want to go too crazy with the flavors. I think that's what I'm gonna stick with. I'm just gonna mix this in. That brightened things up quite a bit. Oh, you know what would be really good? Lemon, but I don't have lemon itself. So I'm going to use citric acid or lemon salt, and that will bring in some brightness. That'll bring in some of that citrus that it's missing right now. I think this will work really well. Citric acid goes a long way, so a little is a lot. Less is more, whatever you want to say in this sense. But that should bring out some of that citrus. That did exactly what I wanted it to. Oh, that's good. This is really good. Okay. It's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm not going to actually have a bowl of this right now. This is delicious. Go make it.